Dear students, in last period we studied the merits of Mendel's periodic table. Today we study the demerits of Mendel's periodic table. Mendel's classification was clever classification because Mendel's classification or Mendel's periodic table having some demerits. Here today we discuss about the demerits of Mendel's periodic table. You know which are the demerits of Mendel's periodic table. This is very important topic, and this topic asked in question number 3 of science paper 1 in 10th class for 3 marks. Here what is the question? You know here what is question? Describe the demerits of Mendel's periodic table. Describe the demerits of Mendel's periodic table for 3 marks. Is a very important question is there. Then what is the answer of this question related to demerits of Mendel's periodic table? Here we discuss and we write the answer of that question. How we discuss this? The demerits of Mendel's periodic table. Demerits of Mendel's periodic table are as follows. Demerits of Mendel's periodic table are as follows, and here we clearly discuss and write this answer clearly here according to some points. That is, firstly we discuss about that position of hydrogen. Position of hydrogen. Here you know that is hydrogen have not fixed position in Mendel's periodic table. Because what is the reason here? Here we write that is hydrogen have not fixed position in Mendel's periodic table. Mendel's periodic table म्हणजे हायड्रोजनला मेंडेलियस पिरियडिक टेबल मध्ये कुठलीही निश्चित अशी पोझिशन दिलेली नाही. व्हॉट इज द रिझन? याचं कारण काय? बिकॉज हायड्रोजन शोज सिमिलॅरिटीज लाईक हॅलोजन ॲज वेल ॲज अल्कली मेटल्स. म्हणजे हायड्रोजन हा हॅलोजन आणि अल्कली मेटल्सची सिमिलॅरिटीज दर्शवतो. बिकॉज यू नो हियर because hydrogen shows similarities with halogens and alkali metals. म्हणजे हायड्रोजन हा हॅलोजन आणि अल्कली मेटल्स प्रमाणे प्रॉपर्टीज दाखवतो. You know these halogens like chlorine, bromine, fluorine, iodine, they are placed in a group number 7. Alkali metals placed in a group number 1. Hence, you know hydrogen shows the similarities in their properties with halogen and alkali metals. For example, that is molecular formula of hydrogen. Hydrogen is H2, while chlorine that is Cl. Means have the similarities there. Fluorine having F2 means H2Cl2F2. That is similarities with halogen. This hydrogen also shows the similarities like alkali metals. Hydrogen हा alkali metals ची सुद्धा similarities दाखवतो. Then how it shows the similarities? Like here NaCl, that is HCl. Here Na is alkali metal and here H is hydrogen. Means in this way, here due to this reason that hydrogen have not fixed position in Mendel's periodic table. That is the first demerit of Mendel's periodic table. Then what is second demerit of the Mendel's periodic table? That is we call wrong position position of elements. Wrong position of elements. Here you know what is Mendeleev's periodic law. That is, according to Mendeleev's periodic law, elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic mass number. Here, that is, properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic masses. Here in Mendeleev's periodic table, all the elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic mass number. म्हणजे Mendeleev's periodic table मध्ये सर्व एलिमेंटचे अरेंजमेंट ही increasing order of their atomic mass number आहे. But you know here in some position, for example, cobalt and nickel. Cobalt having mass number 58.7 and nickel having mass number 58.9. Here cobalt plays before than nickel. Cobalt plays before than nickel, and we call that is the wrong position of elements. Actually, according to law, nickel requires a first position, then cobalt, but here cobalt plays before then the nickel. That is said to be the wrong position of elements. Then number 3, third demerit of the Mendeleev's periodic table. Here no fixed position of given to isotopes in Mendeleev's periodic table. We call position of isotopes. Position of isotopes. You know what is in my isotopes? Isotopes means that is atoms of same element have same atomic number but different atomic mass number. Like look here, that is atoms of same element, atoms of same element have same atomic number, but different atomic mass number. That is called isotopes. For example, carbon 6 and 12, carbon 6 and 14. In Mendeleev's periodic table, only that carbon 12 having the position, but carbon 14 have not a position in Mendeleev's periodic table. But you know here that required the position according to law, elements are arranged in increasing order of their atomic mass number. जर एलिमेंटची अरेंजमेंट मांडणी जर ॲटॉमिक मास नंबरच्या चढत्या क्रमाने असेल तर कार्बन 14 ला त्यामध्ये निश्चित पोझिशन देणं गरजेचं होतं. बट हियर अदर आयसोटोप्स ऑल्सो that no fixed position given to isotopes in Mendeleev's periodic table, no specific position given to isotopes in Mendeleev's periodic table. In Mendeleev's periodic table means these three are the demerits of Mendeleev's periodic table. There is a question for 3 marks, and here first, second, and third, there is 3 points are more than sufficient for this 3 mark in this topic.